The Iraqi dinar has officially revalued to $4.38. A new global financial era begins. Published by IQD to VND, April 2025. Welcome to History in the Making. After years of speculation, anticipation, and countless rumors, the moment has arrived. The Iraqi dinar, IQD, has officially revalued. Not a prediction, not a rumor, this is fact. The new exchange rate stands at $4.38 per one Iraqi dinar, an announcement that has sent shockwaves across the global financial arena. Whether you're a long-time holder or someone just joining the conversation, what's unfolding right now is nothing short of extraordinary. From whispers to reality, the confirmation everyone was waiting for. For decades, discussions surrounding the revaluation of the IQD have circulated in forums, conferences, and quiet financial circles. It was often dismissed as wishful thinking or high-risk speculation. But as of today, this whisper has become a reality. The Central Bank of Iraq has confirmed it. Major financial media outlets have validated it. And markets are reacting in real time. The revaluation has materialized, changing the financial destinies of those who believed in Iraq's long-term potential, $4.38 per dinar. A rate that redefines wealth. Let that number sink in. $4.38 for one IQD. For holders of 1 million IQD, that's now a staggering $4,380,000 in value. The financial transformation isn't symbolic, it's seismic. But why $4.38? This number isn't arbitrary. It reflects years of fiscal reforms, robust oil-backed economic planning, alignment with global banking systems, increased foreign reserves, and reduced corruption. This rate is the outcome of careful, deliberate strategy, not overnight change. Global impact, a revaluation that's reshaping the world economy. Banks, governments, and investment firms worldwide are responding with urgency. Financial institutions are scrambling to update their systems. Economic analysts are revising forecasts, and the balance sheets of IQD holders are swelling with newfound wealth. Why this matters globally: increased purchasing power for Iraq, stronger Middle East trade dynamics, ripple effects in oil markets, recalibration of international import-export valuations. Iraq has graduated from a developing economy to a serious financial player on the global stage. The strategic blueprint behind the revaluation. This revaluation didn't come from hope, it came from strategy. Over the last 10 years, Iraq has strengthened its oil output and restructured its energy contracts, built significant foreign reserves, modernized its banking infrastructure, combat corruption, and enhanced financial transparency, secured high-level international trade partnerships. By anchoring its currency in oil wealth and smart governance, Iraq created a sustainable and strong foundation for this revaluation, a new dawn for Iraqi citizens. While investors rejoice, Iraqis themselves stand to benefit profoundly. Higher wages and stronger purchasing power, lower inflation, improved credit availability, increased government funding for infrastructure, education, and healthcare. The revaluation of the dinar is also a symbol of national pride and recovery, a signal to citizens that their sacrifices and patience are finally being rewarded. Caution and strategy, what you should do next. Now that the revaluation is confirmed, the natural question is, what now? Before rushing to exchange your dinars, contact your financial institutions and confirm they're equipped to handle the new rate. Gather all relevant documentation, proof of purchase, source of funds, etc. Understand exchange procedures, including fees, taxes, and timelines. Consult a tax advisor. Your new wealth may come with significant tax implications. This is the time for strategic thinking, not impulsive decisions. What you do now could shape your financial legacy. The bigger picture, how the world will adjust. The 4.38 rate is not just a win for Iraq or investors, it's a case study in what strategic reform can achieve. For global markets, this shift means oil importing nations recalibrating budgets, Forex markets adapting to new currency strengths, financial modeling across multiple industries being restructured. This is more than a revaluation. It's the dawn of a new era in economic diplomacy and trade alignment. Future potential. Is $4.38 just the beginning? Many experts believe the IQD may still have room to grow. If Iraq continues, its reform pace, infrastructure development, strategic investments, then the value of its currency could rise even further. However, caution is key. Currency growth must be grounded in economic fundamentals. But even at $4.38, this is a historic financial turning point. Action steps: how to maximize this opportunity. 1. Verify bank readiness. Not all banks will be updated immediately. 2. Consult professionals. Financial and tax advisors can help protect your again. 3. Think long-term. Consider diversifying your windfall into assets like real estate, businesses, or global stocks. 4. Stay informed. Monitor government updates, IMF reports, and your local tax authority. Final thoughts: a once-in-a-lifetime event. The Iraqi Dinar's revaluation is more than a news headline. It's the culmination of decades of effort and a launching point for a bold new chapter. If you're holding Iraqi Dinars, you're part of history, a financial transformation that's changing lives, markets, and nations. But remember, with great opportunity comes great responsibility. Educate yourself, make wise choices, and above all, prepare for a future that now looks radically different. This is just the beginning. The Iraqi dinar has officially revalued. The world is watching, and you're in the front row.